Hey guys, what's going on? Midoloshi here. So today it's my time to do a brand new Molan Cano case for the Samsung Galaxy S9. So without further ado, let's get started. This is Silicone edition, green color, a very cheap price. This is new or stock, and this is my Galaxy S9. So now let's unbox. So here's the case, brand new, never been used. I got this Molan Cano, provide a better experience. Don't remove the sticker. Of course I will keep it. And this is the phone. Very easy to install. This is how it looks. Very nice. It looks very much with green and purple and green and black. Wow, look brand new. Very solid when holding this. It fits well. Molan Cano. And so before I end this video, you can give your feedback for this unboxed Molan Cano silicone green color in the comment below. And so that's all for me. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you on this video. Goodbye and have a nice day.